Oh my God. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I cannot believe I tried to cut my hair again. I guess I didn't learn my lesson. Last time I cut my hair, which is on my channel, it did not go well at all. I basically just really needed some weight off my hair. I either needed to cut like all my hair off or just get a lot of layers, and so the butterfly cut seemed like the way to go. So yeah, without further ado, please enjoy. If you do enjoy, please like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next one. And I just sectioned out my hair. He said to take the top point of your head to behind your ear and section that out. So we're basically doing two sections. I will link the video that I watched to learn how to do this, but I spent a while on the sectioning. I really wanted it to be perfect, so I spent a while doing that. And then you're gonna take it all and put it to the front of your forehead. He said in between your eyebrows, and it will be like on your forehead. And then you'll take the back section and tie it up to the highest point of your head. So like as high as you can get that ponytail, you'll do that. And basically this is just creating a lot of layers and face framing pieces, but I was so scared. I'm getting it wet. He said getting it wet will help with the precision of like cutting it and just make it easier, and I just went for it. Oh my God. I just really did it. I just really did it. Why did I do that? Oh my God, I'm gonna cry. There. Oh my God. Oh my God. I was taking off way more than I thought I was going to, but Brad Mondo did say to take off a lot or you're not gonna see a difference. I just cut my hair. I trust me. I watched a video. I'm really scared. I cut off too much. I watched a video and it gives you layers, really nice layers. Oh my God! I think I cut off too much though. I don't know why I cut off that much. I'm just scared to let it down.
Oh, come on.
Is it short? Oh my God. I don't know why I did that, Mom. Mommy? Oh my God, it feels so much lighter. Whoa. Okay, wait. Oh my God. My legs are like so weak right now. That feels so much lighter.
I mean, oh gosh.
See, look. Oh my gosh. Wait, I kind of like it. Wait, look.
Oh no.
See, look at this. Like, it, oh my God, wait, look, Mom. It's kind of nice.
Yeah.
It's what I wanted. And it's not short at all. It's like the same length,
Oh yeah.
lengthwise. Do you see that? I was literally gonna cry. It looks really good. Wait, because it's all, look how short it is up here.
Yeah.
And it, oh my God. Wait, it looks really good when it's all pulled to the front. Doesn't it? Oh my gosh. That was so scary. Okay, yeah, that was really terrifying. So I have never used this hairdryer before, and I don't know why I'm making that face. Like, I must just be really concentrating, but I've never used this hairbrush before. I really wish it was more round. It kind of like straightened my hair. I will try to round brush it a little bit better, but it created like really nice, like really kind of like dramatic layers, and that's exactly what I needed. My hair was so long and heavy. It was so heavy, and now it just feels really light. I feel like it has a lot of movement to it, and it feels like I don't know, it feels like I took a lot off, but it's still long, so it's kind of the best of both worlds and I really like it. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.